90,000.
Yes, Your Lordship. It is 1,90,000, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I would further like this honored court to see my written argument. Your Lordship, at page number 79.
इनका एफिडेविट कहाँ है?
Your Lordship, इनका इनकम एफिडेविट है पेज नंबर 55 पे, Your Lordship. इनकी इनकम एफिडेविट के साथ इन्होंने सिर्फ एक क्लेम किया है दैट आई एम नॉट अर्निंग, योर लॉर्डशिप. नाउ दिस लॉ जो बोलते हैं कि आपको अपनी सैलरी प्रूव करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू फाइल आईटीआर, बैंक अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट, और अगर कोई वर्किंग एम्प्लॉय है ही हैज टू सबमिट अ सैलरी स्लिप, योर लॉर्डशिप. बट फॉर अ विमेन इन्होंने सिर्फ अपने इसमें मेयर क्लेम कर देना कि मैं कुछ नहीं कमाती इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, एंड दैट इज व्हाई a direction was issued by the Honorable Supreme Court to all the family courts that has to be distributed by Honorable High Court, your lordship, जिसमें कहा गया था कि नेशन वाइड रजनीश नेहा के रूल्स फॉलो नहीं हो रहे हैं. दैट इज वाई स्पेसिफिक डायरेक्शंस वर गिवन, योर लॉर्डशिप. I would like this learned court to peruse those directions also, your lordship. I have annexed those directions. It is at page number 105, your lordship. This page number 105, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, it is dated 3/3/2023, wherein it references resolution of Honorable Full Court dated 17/2/2023. Please find the enclosed a copy of circular along with performer of affidavits to be filed by both parties in maintenance proceeding, your lordship. Now what the performer says, your lordship. In all proceedings where a wife is claiming maintenance, she has to file a elaborate income and expenditure affidavit along with her application, your lordship. Now, your lordship, may please see page number 111, your lordship. 110 and 111, your lordship. It says details of income of the dependent. This is the performer given by the High Court guided circular, your lordship. It says the person has to mention name of employer, designation, monthly income. If engaged in government service, he has to furnish his salary slips. If engaged in private sector, he has to provide employer certificate, your lordship. At point 9, your lordship, it has specifically written furnished copy of bank account statements of all accounts for last 3 years. It is not a discretionary thing, your lordship. It has been laid down that the person has to submit her bank account statement, your lordship. Why I am stressing on this point, your lordship? Because she did not file her bank account statement despite our application, your lordship. And now, एक certain document है जो हमने trial court में लगाया, which was not there at the time of adjudication because she is working in Mata Gujari College, your lordship, and her salary is getting credited to her bank account, your lordship. She did not submit that. And I cannot even produce it before the court because revisionary jurisdiction में court can produce only those documents those were available with the trial court, your lordship. She did not produce a bank account statement, your lordship. Furthermore, your lordship.
ये बताइए मैडम, ये इनका
your lordship
क्या ये बिजनेस कर रहा है?
your lordship,
एप्लीकेंट क्या बिजनेस करता है?
your lordship, he was giving coaching classes, your lordship. And that is why he filed his ITR. जिसमें इसकी ITR भी corroborate कर दी थी that he is not earning more than 15,000 per month, your lordship.
मोर है?
ये चीज सर मैं ऑर्डर शीट पे दिखा देती हूँ.
क्या आप इनकम क्या बता रही हैं मैम?
सर 15,000 पर मंथ, योर लॉर्डशिप.